Good morning, my friend. This is Ari again. Today I want to show you when I replace the throttle body on the 2012 Ford F-150 with 3.5 liter engine. Okay, the thing is I scanned this engine because they got some particular problem. He was driving and they can accelerated the truck. And then you turn it off and turn it on again, and the car starts running perfect for a little while. Okay, I scanned the car and showed two particular codes, P2111 and P2112. He said throttle actuator A, control system stuck open. Dice throttle actuator control system stuck close. So the thing is, this throttle body, the scanner showed me they got some problems when the inside, because it showed like a stuck on position open and stuck on position close. I got some picture here that show you the engine. And this one they saying that the first thing in the top, they say throttle body is what was located on the EcoBoost. Okay, this is the engine. It was located on the front of the engine under the air filter, the throttle body with the engine 3.5 V6 EcoBooster for 212. Okay, for remove this throttle body, first thing is take the air hose on the lower side, and another hose goes to the stretch on the throttle body. Just to use a screwdriver and two socket, the 8mm socket for remove the 4 bolts and the plug. Okay, I advanced a little bit and started to remove the 4 bolts. Okay, after remove the 4 bolts, it's easy, you take it off the throttle body. Okay, I want to show you. I think the problem, like I showed the scanner, is inside, like a stuck in open position and a closed position. Okay, or it's full of carbon. Maybe that's the reason inside they got some problems. Okay, anyway, I got a new one. The same thing, brand new throttle body. In this particular thing, I want to share it too. Anyway, when you put a new throttle body, the best thing is replace the gasket, because this throttle body, if they got a leak, if you don't put a new gasket on the manifold intake. Okay, try to take off the old gasket. Okay, I got it off. I will put the new gasket. That's very important thing, because see, they got some vacuum leak in this area that measure the airflow in the engine, cause problems for the accelerator and the combustion, lots problems. Okay, I got it done. We put a new throttle body, the bolted off new gasket. I put the 4 bolts in the throttle body, and back to the block back, and the air line. Screw it up, the clamp. It's important, tight real good for don't get the air leak too. Okay, and then put it the top air line or air hose goes to the air filter, and we screwed up the clamp too for 8mm socket. Okay, and for relaying, this particular thing is just that put the ignition key on for a minute and crank the truck, wait for 5 minutes to recognize the computer, and then drive it. Okay, I got the old one. I was a little bit curious because the scanner showed this was stuck in open position and in closed position. Thus I take the cover off for C. What is the reason? The throttle body is stuck on an open and in closed position. Okay, I want to show you. Okay, this one inside, they got a couple plastic gear, one metal, two couple plastic gear. They communication between the plastic gear on the middle is they got some loose. You seen it? I turn on the left side and turn on the right side, but they communicate. So they got some. Okay, I will take it off for C. Oh, look, the thing is the thread, the gear inside was complete gone. This is the reason sometimes was stuck on position, because it's broke one step maybe. This is the reason this kind of lock it off. Okay, my friend, I will put a new. If you like this video, put a like, share for the friends, because it can help a lot of people. They got a trouble from your car. I can help some for you see some experience for me on the fix of this car. Okay, you put a like it, you subscribe my channel, and share these videos for all your friends. Thank you, my friends, for watching the video.